Is anyone else absolutely mesmerised by just how many Gossip Girl storylines Barron Trump managed to play out in one day? He left for his first day at college from Trump Tower? Wait, so he's staying in his rich dad's New York building? You mean like when Chuck Bass was living in the suite of his dad's hotel? Then there's all of the discourse over Trump announcing that he's going to NYU, everyone freaking out as to why he's not made an Ivy League college, which was literally a Blair Waldorf storyline. Everyone assumed that because of who she is, she would end up at an Ivy League like Yale, but very surprisingly, she ends up at NYU. Then there's all of the comments online about how on earth someone like Barron Trump is going to fit in at NYU. This creator made a video pointing out that it's an extremely liberal college. All of the comments were people wondering how he's going to handle it. Literally another Gossip Girl storyline. Blair Waldorf goes to NYU. She finds it extremely hard to fit in there and basically has to fundamentally change who she is as a person to make it work. Then we have all of the public interest around Barron Trump in the first place, the fact that he was swarmed by paparazzi as he arrived, and it's very much giving Serena van der Woodsen nepo baby, paparazzi following her wherever she goes.